Hi, I'm the team leader. Let's learn arrow function expressions in JavaScript. Arrow functions are just a shorter way to write regular functions. So this is the same as this. The function name is the name of the variable you declare. Then comes the function argument, and then the function body without the return keyword. The JavaScript engine understands that what follows the fat arrow is what you want to return. Likewise, this is the same as this. You can also surround the return statement with round brackets. This is useful when you want to break your function into more than one line. It is also useful when you want to make your code clearer, as we'll see later on. Anyhow, this is the shortest form of arrow functions. If the number of arguments is different than 1, you can still use arrow functions, but you'll have to tell the JavaScript engine what the function arguments are by bringing back the round brackets. So if you have 2 arguments, the arrow function version will look like this. And if you have 0 arguments, this is how it will look like. If there is more than one line in the function body, you'll have to tell the JavaScript engine where the function body begins and ends by bringing back the curly braces and the return keyword. So this becomes this. And with 2 arguments, the arguments round brackets also come back. So here is the function declaration, and here is the arrow function version. So what are arrow functions useful for? Arrow functions are useful in making your code cleaner. As for best practices, keep in mind that arrow functions might, in some scenario, make your code more complicated rather than cleaner. Here is a simple example. What does this function do? As you probably guessed, this is what it does, but the arrow function version is a bit confusing. You can make the arrow function a bit more readable by using round brackets, as we've discussed, but you won't be able to always make them as readable as the regular function declaration, so just make sure this syntax actually improves your code readability. Arrow functions were introduced to JavaScript in ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6. So that's the arrow function syntax. Reinforce and deepen what you've learned with the free arrow function quiz I created. Subscribe if you want more, like if you like this video, and check out my online course. Later.